Ja nazywam się Marta i witam Was bardzo serdecznie w mojej nowej serii na YouTube Wilk pośród nas. Mam nadzieję, że będziecie oglądać giereczkę, jest bardzo fajna. Zachęcam wszystkich do lajkowania, do komentowania i zostawiania subskrypcji po więcej gierek. Ale ja oglądałam wczoraj, ale już trochę grałam. Już mam to, że ścieżka niby zginęła, a nie zginęła, wiesz o co chodzi? Już tam tego torturowałam. Rozumiesz o co chodzi, no. Jadę teraz do tego, do prostytucji jadę. Jadę na dziwki. O dobra, no jadę na dziwki. O patrz, ta. Tu się zaczyna gra dopiero. Mówisz?
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure?
I'm looking for someone.
Finding you
Książkę, dobra.
someone is our specialty, but the club's closed.
Not quite what I meant.
That's too bad. I guess you'd better talk to Georgie? You're in luck. He's here. Come on.
Ona fajna.
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working.
Taka
And he's
muśka,
in
daj
kind
spokój.
of a mood right now.
It'll be fine. I have a way with people.
So I've heard.
Ona fajna, no.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure.
Listen, you could be in danger.
Ostrzegaj ją.
Oh, sweetie, we're all in danger.
Ale ona ma wyrąbane, nie? O kurwa.
For fuck's sake! What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit. Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
Ja
Nice
pierdzielę.
place.
You do have a sense of humor. That's good. Good luck.
Ja w szoku. Ale w ogóle tak nagle, nie?
It's your face. You have to smile. You never smile.
Oj, chciałam przeszukać tutaj teren.
Oh, it's you. We're closed.
I
Keep
kurczyszona.
dancing, you. I didn't say stop. For fuck's sake. You, stay right there. Don't even think about sitting down.
Ja
I got
pierdzielę,
a
ty,
few
tyran.
questions.
Imagine my excitement. What do you want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up.
Co mi
Or,
nakręci?
knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beating. Tell me, do you prefer a stationary target or one that will put up a fight?
Jezus, co to
I'm
jest w
not
ogóle?
here for that.
Oh,
Jak perp.
I'm not here for that. You just stopped in for the chips then? Jesus, Bigby, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it. Okay, all right, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
Are you sure?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it, especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamoured.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No, I mean glamoured to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things
Ale to
when
jest
nobody's
pojebane, no.
watching.
You know, it's illegal to impersonate another fable.
It's frowned on.
It's illegal as long as I don't like it. The 13th floor would never provide a glamour like that. It's strictly black market stuff.
Ooh, black market, is
Nie mam
it?
pojęcia,
How
Dawid.
exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up. And we're all just meant to jump any time the wolf shows his teeth. He used to be something, you know.
To mu pokażę, no.
Get that out of my face.
This was part of the glamour we found on Lily's body. Take a good look. She was impersonating Snow White. Why?
Oh, hey, if you say so. Just looks like hair to me.
No ja
Anyway,
pierdzielę.
even supposing she was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. I don't need the trouble.
For who, then?
I don't know. She had clients. Maybe one of them was into it. Lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the
Nie
mirror.
ma chuja, ale da się chyba.
Anyway, now to do with me.
Nie wiem.
Go on then.
Ona jest tak przerażona.
You gonna hit me? Go ahead. That's what you want to do, right?
One more time. Who hired her?
Jezu, już myślałam, że się będziemy bić.
Oh no, fuck!
Dobra, lepiej ręce na klawiaturze, jakby się bić trzeba
You!
było.
Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it! Bloody bastard fucking shit! You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess? Fuck's sake. Fuck off, Hans.
Hans. Jezus.
I need to ask you a few questions.
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes.
Nie, on wygląda jakby coś wiedział.
End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're
it?
a fucking moron.
Show me.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start.
No, żebym ja cię tak nie zbiła,
that's
ty,
my personal
derlak.
property. Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
Tell me about the book.
You haven't got the slightest clue about anything.
On się boi,
Hey,
no.
now.
Cut the crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again.
Spierdalaj mu.
Don't even think about it.
Dobra.
Jesus, fuck! Do
Ma się
not
bać.
touch that. You hear me?
Ma się
It's
bać,
nothing
Dawid,
to do with
faktycznie.
you.
Trzeba tego powera mu pokazać. Mat?
Well, well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Nie, nie uderzę go.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Jest mało wkurwiony jakoś, nie wiem.
Come on, mate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
On się, o, wkurwia się trochę.
This is a dance club. What the hell am I supposed to do tonight while the girls are on stage? Harmonica, kazoo, whistle a happy tune. Fucking unbelievable.
O, jest
Bloody
klucz.
come on then.
A on by chyba tego nie oddał.
Fucking trash my business over this bullshit. Protector of Fabletown, my ass. What a load of crap. Once again, don't get your hopes up. There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so we can be happy about that.
O, pieniądze też zajebiemy od razu. Temu ukradam pieniądze, Dawid.
Here, This is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Ants knows that.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book, your girls.
I'm not their fucking secretary. I give them a stage, I give them music, I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
A se składaj skargę, w chuju to ja mam. No.
Hello? Business office?
Georgie?
To ja tak ładnie rozwaliłam. Co tu jeszcze jest ciekawego? Pieniądze? A, no...
Yeah, that's right.
A co?
58.
Biorę to! To jest tyle, ile ja dałam chyba, co? To też wezmę. To są brudne pieniądze. Nie, lotria to są brudne pieniądze. A to mi się przyda na spłacenie długów,
I want to talk to the deputy mayor.
których jeszcze nie mam. No, tu nic
I don't
nie-
give a rat's ass about that. Just fuck off and fetch him for me, alright?
A to jest ta DJ-ka, ta. Szybki lód. Dajcie spokój, chłopaki. A co źle? Ale patrzcie, jakie tu są ten. Tu nawet mężczyźni są,
No, I
widzicie
don't
to?
want to.
Kobiety, mężczyźni, no. Może sobie kupimy papierosy? No nie kupimy. Dobra,
Fine, I'll hold.
idę. Co to jest? Kosmetyki, dobra.
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter.
A tu z boku? Liścik. Czemu on z tymi
Faith,
pieniędzmi chodzi?
thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily. Looks
Okay.
like they both saw one of Lily's clients.
Jaśmin.
Lock's been busted open.
Nie spodziewałaś się, że ktoś tyle pieniędzy ukradnie i zbugowałaś? Daj spokój.
Broken open. But there isn't even a lock.
Daj spokój, Dawi, no. A ty byś nie wziął? No patrz, on się po prostu flexuje, że on z tym chodzi.
Excuse me.
Nie mieści się w
I
kieszeniach?
heard you out there. I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
Somebody else said that to me on the way in.
I guess we're all surprised.
Ale ta ładna jest, nie?
You're trying to place me. They used to call me the Little Mermaid. Once upon a time. Does that help?
You have legs. Had a glamour?
No, they're real. Do you like them? They cost me a lot.
A tak, pamiętam!
My
Że chyba
name
nie
is
mogła potem...
Nerissa.
Nie mogła gadać
Well,
chyba, co za nogi?
Marissa, I've got some questions.
Arielka!
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those
Arielka.
yourself.
Tak? Mała syrenka, Arielka?
Does the number 207 mean anything to you? I assumed it was a room number, but where?
We can't talk about work.
This is a murder case.
I mean, can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
It's how things work here.
Każda tu kurwa tak gada.
People keep using those phrases. What does it mean?
A jaka smutna.
This is what I need to know about. Lily's last entry. Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
These lips.
Tyle pytań.
Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
What exactly are you suggesting?
We could make all the usual arrangements. The usual place.
Aha, ona chce mnie zabrać do tego miejsca, dobra.
Okay.
Chce mnie zabrać, ale w
What
formie
would I
takiego,
need
wiecie,
to
spotkania,
do?
bo nie może gadać, tak?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Nie może powiedzieć, gdzie to jest, ale mogę jej... Patrzcie, kurde, w łapce mam pieniądze, tu mam pieniądze, ale
Wait here for a
bogactwo.
second.
Kurde, zapłaciłam jej i dalej mam kasę, ty! Człowieku! Ale to jest flex! Tu? No! Dobra, no patrz.
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
No oknem jakoś się przedostanę, no najwyżej
The
co?
Open Arms. This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Okej, ona nie mogła nam powiedzieć, ale mówiliśmy się, wiecie... Rozumiecie tą przekminę? Nie mogła powiedzieć. Żadna nie może tutaj gościowa gadać, no. Ale pojebana polityka. Jakie gówno. Ale dobra, idziemy na ten. O, to jest obok. Patrz, jak to obok jest. Co? A, policjant się spotkał z jakąś tą. Też. Jezu, o, jaki uchachany, ty, czepeczka. Kolego. Zadowolony wyszedł, no, a co? Ja pierdzielę. Oho, no właśnie, kurde. Idziemy przeszukiwać tutaj. Zaginiony kot, tutaj.
They should probably repair that.
Ale to jest takie obskurne miejsce, poważnie, dziewczyny, kurde.
If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
No. Zadzwonię sobie dzwonkiem. Proszę dzwonić.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night? Oh,
Witam.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody.
No,
should
słuchaj,
really tell
dziewczyno, to
Beast.
nie jest,
He's
to nie jest
worried
wstyd,
about you.
nie?
I will. I just need to in my own time. By the way, thanks for covering for me.
To nie jest
So,
taka
what are you
straszna
doing here?
tajemnica.
Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
On też się
Oh.
smuci, że musi
Oh,
pracować.
yes, the troll. I did see
Daj
her.
spokój.
I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Okej.
Ever meet a girl named Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
Ona dużo gada.
Have you seen Snow White down here? Or maybe
Powiedz wszystko,
somebody
co wiesz,
glamored
dziewczyno.
as her?
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her. I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
Ever see Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job.
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Okej,
I talked to
może jeszcze to?
Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him? Or his brother?
I took out a loan for back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money, plus
Oh.
interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
It was from the crooked man.
Beauty.
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby. I had nowhere else to go.
Look,
Ja
if this ever happens
pierdzielę.
again, come see me or Snow first, all right?
A mogę już
I
zapłacić za nią?
tried.
Jak próbowała?
Thanks.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself. 5 minutes, please.
We'll see, Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
That won't be hard.
Listen, Bigby, I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it.
No,
Do you have
słuchaj.
to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your
To
report.
nie jest taki
It's
wstyd.
just
Czemu ona się aż tak
They're
boi?
asking me to lie.
Nie rozumiem
not
tego.
lie, just not include my name. Just say you talk to the clerk or something. You'll do what you have to. I just want you to know that that would help me. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
Okej, może coś podsłucham. Tu jest cisza. Ale coś tak niefortunnie trafiłam trochę, co dziewczyny? Co oni tam robią? Nie wiem. A tu jest jakieś jedzenie, w ogóle jak to obskurnie wygląda.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want. Seriously, what if someone found out?
You have to let me in there. This is the room, 207.
But I...
This is the room Lily was in.
Fine.
No otwórz, ja chcę tylko ten.
Well, that's
Szybko.
weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby?
O ja
How
pier...
could you do this to me?
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I
Oh,
took care of you.
Boże.
I love...
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me! With him?
Czekaj, już
No,
klawiatura.
no, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet! I'm sure you help each other just great!
Ja
Relax. It's
pierdolę.
not what you think.
Stop lying to me! What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife!
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Ah!
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop. Stop it.
You told me you had seen her, you fucking liar! You've been sleeping with her this whole
Ja
time!
We don't
pierdolę.
have to do this. Just calm down and...
Beast.
Ah!
Nie, jednak się bijemy.
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me.
She's my wife, Bigby!
O ja pierdzielę, przecież ci nie pukałam żony.
Just stop.
Ale to trzeba szybko, nie? Bo bym w nią uderzyła jeszcze. Pan się uspokoi. Tak, muszę tak uderzyć.
Leave him be. This is my fault.
Jezus, aż pauzę kliknęłam, przepraszam, z tych emocji. Zabij go, daj spokój, nie.
Bigby, no! Don't hurt him!
Daj spokój. Ale on mi nie uderzy, co?
You ruined everything! She's my... Shit, Bigby.
What have you
Chory.
done?
A tam jest krew, poczekajcie.
What is this? Bigby.
Look what you did to the door! You can't just act like this whenever
Stand
you-
back. You don't want to see this.
Ej, tu jakiś ołtarz, nie?
Beauty, stay in the hall.
What? Why?
Jakiegoś
What's
poświęcenia
going on?
ofiary.
Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this?
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then,
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
Yeah?
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty. What?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
Did you notice anything out of the ordinary? There might have been some loud noises.
I don't know. I mean, loud noises aren't out of the ordinary. I didn't hear anyone screaming or anything like that, but shouldn't I have? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay?
Kurde. Kurde, co?
Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
Czekajcie.
I can't believe this.
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
To te kwiaty, nie?
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
No. Księga baśni?
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
Okej.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Jest jakiś psychol, no. Oddychała?
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
To samo chciał tutaj
What's it
zrobić?
mean? Why
tym
mark
tym?
the page where she's sleeping?
I think he made
No.
up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
This is creepy. The coffin and the weird fixation on snow. What the hell is wrong with this guy?
O ja pierdzielę.
God,
He brought wine.
classy.
Co to jest za komentarz w ogóle?
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not.
No, to jest ciekawe.
Poor girl.
Zaraz to odtworzymy, co?
Just
Jakie są te
unbelievable.
perfumy, widzicie? Tak w rogu.
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while, and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
Ja pierdzielę, ale to jest... O, czekaj, stos na ziemi. Jabłko. Ja
Do you smell something?
No, just apple. Huh.
What? What are you thinking?
It's got a single bite taken out of it, like in Snow's story.
Oh no. Do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense. It fits. He's acting out scenes from the book. That poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
Chyba tak.
Sounds like there was a series of choices involved. I'm sure she'd have done things differently if she knew where things were headed.
Może on kłamał, ale nie
Yeah.
wiem.
She must have been so scared.
Nie
Someone's
gadaj, że
been
nawet ten...
rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about Snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily
Maciek,
up in
zamknij
it
proszę
to
drzwi.
recreate the snow from the book.
You're right.
O
It's
Boże,
the
Maciek,
same
mam
dress.
zamknąć drzwi i
It's
gadam.
another match to what's in the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
Dziękuję.
So he planned it all out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
O!
Are those pictures of the dead girl?
Ja pierdzielę, ej, to jest taki psychol.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know
Ej, ale to
about
jest tak
this firsthand.
obrzydliwe.
He'll keep trying
Agnieszka.
to get closer and
Papa.
closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer. What is it?
It's... Crane.
Nie. To on zabił? Nie! Co, on sypnięty? Ja pierd... Chcecie mi uwierzyć, zamknijcie oczy też.
He could be after you
Zamykam
now.
oczy, wytrzymam
Good.
słuchawki,
I am
wierzycie mi na
dying to
słowo.
get my hands on that
Patrzę
disgusting
teraz
weasel.
o, mogę wam powiedzieć, będę patrzeć w telefon i będę wam mówić, co ja widzę w moim telefonie, dobra? Więc tak, wchodzę teraz na X. Co tu widzę? Ludzie za dziecka
Really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello,
Będę
Big
patrzeć
B.
teraz na czat.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for
Dajcie
you.
spokój.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
O, Okej. I jak wybory, Dawi? Ej, o kurde. A co, dało się inaczej? Okej. Dużo osób go nie uderzyło, okej. I jak te wybory? Te dwa chyba dobre, co? Ale szok, czy nie? Dobre, ok? Okej. A więc tak, dziewczyny. Mamy to, mamy to. Mamy to. Wybory nie były złe. Coś tam się działo. I co? Zagraliśmy cały drugi epizod. I jutro, przypominam, że jutro też gramy. Też gramy w giereczkę, także... Wiecie jak jest. Ale... będziemy kończyć, co? Happy? Będziemy kończyć, dziewczyny, będziemy kończyć. Jestem taka głodna. Zaraz idę sobie zrobić sajgonki i w ogóle... Wiecie jak jest, muszę intro, kurde... nagrać. Masakra. I będę siedzieć i łączyć te odcinki, żeby już niedługo można było od maja je na YouTube wpierdzielać. Także... No mam nadzieję, że giereczka wam się podoba. O, Macie coś tam gada. Ale dobra, dziewczyny, żegnamy się, dobra? W-stream, dziękuję. A będziesz, Dawi, oglądał Cyberpunka? Będziesz, co? Ty lubisz. Bo będzie w maju. Także... Będę, bo ja bezrobotny. Cudownie, 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 cudownie. Mega się cieszę. Dobra, dziewczyny, żegnam się z wami. Tak mnie dalej szyja boli. Ej, ja już wstałam, nie wiem ile godzin temu, ale tak mnie szyja dalej boli. Pa, dziewczyny, żegnam i widzimy się jutro i gramy epizod 3.